Hello everyone, in this video we are going to unbox and review this small cheap camera. So you can order it from the link below or any other one. So I will show you how easy it is to install and we will see the quality of it, how it is for the recording. So as you can see here, it supports both back and front view, so we'll see that. And along with it you get a charger and a couple of the items to mount it on the windshield. So let's do that now. Like I said, you have a couple of attachments depending where you want to put it, but I will use this one for the windshield. And also what I want to do is kind of to hide it a bit, so I will not mount it here in the middle where it will give the best view, but I will try to hide her a bit here so it's not obstructing my view. So let's see how it will be when I mount it here. So let's do that. The good thing is that you get this 3M glue. So we'll just remove this, it is already pre-glued. And the good thing is that this holder is also, then you can adjust this view as you can see here. So both front and back like this, depending what you want to record. So we'll see now when we plug it in. And also you can detach this back one. If you don't need, you can detach it, but I will keep it here. And the micro SD camera is also here from the side. So let's see now how it works. So I have the charger here and then we will plug it in from this side here. So let's see how it will look. So as you can see now it is recording both front and back. So let's mount it now like this and then we will see how it is the recording. You can see now it is recording. So you can see here it is capturing front and the passenger and the driver as well. But as I put it here now, the driver is not captured that much, only the passenger. So still I would recommend putting it at the middle, not like I did here. But let's see how it is the recording, what is the quality of it in the night drive, and then we will do the daily drive as well. Here you can see how it is night mode is acting with this infrared LEDs, and you can see the quality of it. It's pretty good. We will see from the micro SD camera. You can see here, like I can record the license plate very easily, but we will see are they visible from this camera, because that's the most important thing you want to capture is the license plate. Without that it will not be that much useful. So you can see here, like I can record the license plate very easily, but we will see are they visible from this camera, because that's the most important thing you want to capture is the license plate. Without that it will not be that much useful. As you can see here, now it transitioned to the night mode as well, outside and inside, which is pretty good. So we will see how are the conditions. As you can see here, now it transitioned to the night mode as well, outside and inside, which is pretty good. So we will see how are the conditions. What is cool about the back camera is that you can rotate it. I didn't realize that before. So you can rotate it even from the side, so it can capture even the side, and also up to fully at the front. But at the front you have already this one, so you don't need it at the front, but you can keep it like this from the side to extend the view like a dead angle from the side of the car like this. Or if you want to capture the passengers, then you can keep it like this. And what is cool also is that the videos are captured separately, so you will have the videos from the front end of the camera and the videos from the back of the camera as a separate file, so you can use them independently. So how cool is that? So we will see how are the conditions. And that will be all for this video, for this cheap camera. I really liked it, and it is really cool and nice to have. Whatever happens, you have a recording, you have a proof that you or somebody else is guilty, and there is no question about it. So it's always good to have the proof with this camera. So I definitely recommend it to have it in your car. And if you like it, you can order it from the link below, and you will have also some more expensive ones. So whatever you like, you can order. And until next time, assalamu alaikum, may peace be upon you.